Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, let's cook black soup for my family. My family like black soup, mostly my son. That boy they use black soup play. The very first time I cook black soup for my husband for Nigeria, I went as far as I can't go buy bush meat. I go market to go find rabbit. I go market go find rabbits because I want cook the real traditional Esan black soup for with bush meat. As the daughter of a farmer, my dad they hunt meat, so we dey use bush meat cook black soup well for our house. So first time ever me cooking black soup for my husband, I can't tell am say, babe, boyfriend then as for Nigeria, I can't say, babe, I won't cook black soup. He said, no cook black soup, no cook black soup. I no like black soup. Why you no like black soup? Because na Benin man, Edo man. Why you no like black soup? My guy say no like black soup. Say black soup they bitter. I say, black soup they bitter. No, black soup no they bitter. I say no. I say no worry. If you try my black soup, you will love black soup. You will be convinced. Yeah, so okay, may give it a try. I can't go market. I can't go market. Sorry, give money. I can't go market. I go buy the ingredients. I can't went as far as looking for bush meat. I can't find rabbit. Now I buy rabbit too. I buy rabbit. I reach as that day it go work. I reach as now I take cook black soup for us for Nigeria. Then as he and his senior brother come, I can't make starch put for that black soup. Oh lo. These people eat this black soup. They taste different dimension of black soup. They enjoyed it. Fast forward to one day now, I can go my sister-in-law house. Then as I go my sister-in-law house, everybody come they calculate, sir, waiting one total one because we don't cook different type of, they already cook different type of soups. They are literally tired of different type of soup where they don't cook. Call the contemplate of waiting make we cook, waiting make we cook. Now say, okay, sister, give me money, man, to cook black soup. Sister say no, black soup, no. She no like black soup. I later find out say my mother they pack too much bitter leaf put for the black soup. That's why they no like black soup. Because they bitter, old women now definitely now they like that medicine now you get. Come on. That's why I say, okay, sister, no worry, no go bitter. Ask your brother. My black soup need the bitter. So I take cook black soup. I can't go market, but this time around for my sister-in-law, I no put bush meat, but a bang. Now I can cook the black soup for my sister-in-law house. Black soup flourish 3 days. People where they like to eat, when they like to eat eba before, they come begin to when they eat eba every now and then. Then my sister-in-law goes, I person you cook soup no reach 3 days for us. How not eat it? Because everybody can eat about morning, afternoon, evening. Why? Because of the magic black soup. So they enjoyed it ever since then. That was how I successfully convert my non-lovers of black soup family into the black soup group, because now when Stella can cook black soup for Africa. Even my last black soup spices, now I just give the work, sister, do black soup spices come for me, and she killed it. So my Stella is now a pro in black soup. She now likes black soup. Now the same black soup now my son too don't like black soup. Black soup need a joke for this, as like even the last. So I do the talk since anyway. So I come put my black soup spices inside banga. I use 2 cans of tin banga. I first of all mince it. So put on inside my meat. So when I say my meat finish, now I let them boil. I put my crayfish, put my seasoning, put my salt. Then I put the star ingredients, the black soup ingredients. I discover I say no richness. Okay, my heart more. I need it to be black, so I can't add more. We pair this black soup with better Nigeria starch. Hey, but thank you for that starch, Romo. The starch was starching. Anyways, guys, if you are just hearing my voice for the first time, you are just coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And If you haven't subscribed, you have been seeing my page and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And if you just reached here for the first time, just saw this video for the first time, I'm Blessing by name. Welcome to my channel. Anyways, guys, my black soup is almost ready, so I can't add more mangi because you know the one we did for meat before, you know which way to cook meat. I can't add more mangi. When I add more mangi, I can still cover up, allow it to boil so that it will thicken. Now I add more salt. So just cook your black soup to your taste. Put your season to your taste. Adjust it to your taste. Everybody get their. Just adjust it to your taste. Put your season to your taste. And one thing about black soup is if you dey wait make it tick for fire before you put it down, you are setting yourself up, because the moment black soup and banga, let me just say banga, because the moment banga cool or black soup cool, it go do this thing, it go tick up by himself. So no say you can't leave for fire, make you wait make it tick, because the more it dey cool, the more it dey tick. So I did not allow mine to be thick, but now 2 days later, 3 days later, it don't tick. I dey add water small for a woman for microwave, make it for last. So I went ahead and add my fish, who I already fair boy join meat before. So as I had my fish finished, then I cover them back. I allow them to boil more. Meanwhile, this oil is too much because na banga, na mostly banga just did there. So we are in abroad whereby we buy banga, we use container tin banga to cook our banga soup and black soup. So now oil just many pass. I later remove from this oil, and I dey use the oil do so many things. I use this oil to make starch, what it eat this black soup. I use this oil to cook beans. I use this oil to cook soup like vegetable. I use the oil for different things. So I remove from the oil because the oil was obviously too much. And if you're in Nigeria, you want to recreate this, you want to cook banga soup, you want to cook black soup, you can equally just buy the leaves in the market and just buy small banga, join them, much leaf and small banga. The essence of the banga is to have that light and oily face. If you use only just the leaf, trust me, it go just give you leafy vibe. No matter the oil where you put for inside your black soup, it will never come out like banga. That's why we always use banga. So I don't mix my starch already. I already dissolved my starch. I was just turning the soup to confirm, okay, it's fine. Then I went ahead to carry the oil. Say, I'm not capping. You see, I say I use the oil make starch. So now the oil now I put for inside starch. I'll just continue putting the oil because I want to make it rich. The starch many, just be like with this small pot like that, but it big because not be only me. And me and my friend I eat the starch. So oh God, if I leave the background, see soup, see black soup now. The black soup, the black in the bank. Like, oh God, let me not hype this soup too much. We cannot hype it too much, but it's worth the hype. So now I put my starch for fire, begin to turn my starch. See, you see this my stick, so why did they turn the starch? Now that they make some more, if you don't say we get normal this thing, normal turner, but I prefer this. Do you guys put salt inside your starch? As for me, I dey put salt for inside my starch. This my stick, so they don't beg me tire for this. I say make I throw. I say lie, man, I need the throw. If I give you the history of this stick, this stick, and when I go spray for camp, now camp for carry this stick come. I don't want throw because it they do the job for me. So now I begin to flex my muscle for this starch. I was flexing. As I begin to flex my muscle, then the starch was just coming together. Nigeria starch and starch where they buy for supermarkets for here, there is a difference. The difference is actually clear. See, the difference clear. So I can't begin the turn and the starch can they come together. I just keep on flexing my muscle. I just flex my muscle. See starch now, see starch. So the starch is starchy. I not be Benin girl, I not be Urobo girl, I be confirm Esan girl. Benin people not carry me at that starch. Benin people not carry me at that starch, and ever since then I've never turned back on starch. If you have watched up to this moment, Thank you for staying tuned and thank you for clicking. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I make sure say the starch is fluffy, is soft. Like no seed, you can tell from the video. See starch. See starch. See starch. After making the starch, after I make the starch finish, I said okay, it's time to serve it. So I serve am for inside plate. Then I say let me show it to you. The starch almost disgrace me when I want cut. I want to try to let them know say you are not a pro when it come to starch. After the cut and so they want for even they burn me say for more. Thank you guys for watching.